Hi there, I'm Holly Clark, a teacher who loves her students to use Screencastify. So I want to teach you how to use this great extension. I'll be your host through this super short video course. We'll be together about 15 minutes and I'll be teaching you how to use Screencastify, an awesome Chrome extension that will allow you to create your own videos to upload and share with your friends and teachers. If you've ever seen a video that included someone sharing their screen and their face in a small window, you'll be able to do that yourself at the end of this course, and it's going to be awesome. But in order to create great videos like your favorite YouTube stars, you'll have to learn a few things first. We'll start by learning a bit about what it means to be a good digital citizen. After that, you'll be ready to install the Screencastify extension, record a video, and use the annotation tools to make your recording look so amazing. Throughout the course, you'll find additional resources you might find helpful and interesting in the links below. Feel free to explore those resources at any time. You can also revisit the course to re-watch videos when you need them. Once you have a good handle on using Screencastify, you can take a final quiz to get a cool badge and a sweet certificate to show your teacher. So let's go.